Rain, 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 rain. Wonderful rain. At least he's washing the car nicely. We don't have flooding here. It loves rain. Rain, rain. It's not bad at all. Once the rain finishes, then we water blast. Once the rain finishes, then we water blast. Okay, good. Look at Bear. Bear is looking at the rain. Bear, let's go outside and rain bath. Let's go outside and rain bath. Wow, look at it. Look at that part of the thing. Rain, 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 rain. Yeah, here, here, here. Where is it? Where is it? Is it? Then you have that. Darn! Well, look at that. What up, Peppy? Pussycat, pussycat. Mr. Waminaka, your time go to bath. Because I will check now storybook. This storybook from Velocity. The kind of storybook Velocity sells.